And very poetically, they had a hashtag called Unfolding the Universe to disseminate the outcomes from the telescope. So obviously, it is a technological feat with many, many firsts. So this kind of each of these bits of technology to have a heat shield, the mirror, which would stay at these very low temperatures. So the mirror had to be manufactured at room temperature on Earth and then unfolded in the sky and then cooled. It would be passive cooling, of course, but cooled to temperatures which were 230 odd degrees below freezing. And when it cooled, it had to retain the smoothness of its surface. So it couldn't afford to get distorted by more than about 10%. So you can see that each of these is a technological feat. And President Biden didn't fail to emphasize that what a collective effort this was, not just the space mission itself, which is a collaboration of NASA, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, but all the scientists who worked on it and who will now work on the data. So the first images that the James Webb Telescope has obtained are in the public domain for all scientists and laypersons and citizens to use, either through previously designed scientific projects or as citizen science projects. And it just holds up this idea that indeed science is for everyone.